visuals that are coming across from Afghanistan as there are helicopters that are patrolling over Kandahar now. Those are the pictures where Taliban officially that has now taken over all of Afghanistan with the withdrawal of the troops from America. You can actually see a man suspended from the chopper. As we continue to put out more pictures, especially from Kandahar, because Taliban has also begun operating the Black Hawks. Taliban operating the choppers in the governor's residence, where it is seen to be operating the Black Hawks. And this is the largest fleet of choppers that was earlier with the US Army, the US troops, which has now been left behind for the Taliban to operate. And a man can be seen suspended from a chopper. These pictures are coming from Kandahar. As far as Talibani forces are concerned, they are now learning to operate military equipment. That includes those choppers. These are sophisticated equipments as Taliban is operating the Black Hawks, which was earlier being used by the US troops, 20-year-long intervention of the United States in all of Afghanistan. And we've got several pictures from Afghanistan where have they been truckloads of weaponry that have now been left behind by them. Let me go across to Major General Sinha joining us here on the broadcast. Sir, good afternoon. This is an area of concern, sir, because while leaving, US says it has demilitarized its sophisticated weaponry, and even the helicopters that it is leaving behind, it is of no use to the Taliban. But right now, sir, we are looking at many of those choppers, including Black Hawks, are now being flown by Talibani fighters or the Talibani terrorists, sir.
Yeah, of course, this is a very dangerous sign which they are showing it, and they are very, capable of using it, modifying and using it. Americans has left, the complete, it is a collection of $85 billion worth of, military equipment. It starts from the small arm right up to the, you are talking about the Black Hawk helicopters, which is armed Raptors, and the aircraft. They are saying that militarily they have, dismantled it, it has been enabled, the military application of it. But, if they can fire Katyusha, rocket launchers from a Sedan vehicle with a 6th launcher, taking out of the 34, launchers in a vehicle and firing it, of course, it was neutralized by the air defense system. So this is the way they modify, that is the way they do it. So we should not take it lightly that, it has been enabled, it has been disabled, militarily. But they can use it. And you are seeing, these people are flying. Your Afghani army, Air Force pilots are still there. They will make it, make these people by threat, by coercion, by, reward, whatever. They will make them because the pilots are there. They were trained by Americans. So it is a different, altogether a different scenario. But one thing is there with Americans, which you are thinking that an American has run away. Of course, they have run away. The way things unfolded, it is the Taliban who has cheated them. Because probably it was, agreed upon that, after 6 months they will come in power and coalition government, which has not. They have not kept it. Americans are repositioning themselves. They haven't got the time of 6 months, but they do not want that, their bases on the land. They have got the corridor. They are opening the corridor, air corridor, and we have seen if they can fire, sitting in California, your Hellfire missiles, which is being fired over there, and using the Raptor, drones. So people, my request
actually,
will be
Sinha sir, we are getting in more information regarding this particular video, sir. I don't know if you're watching Republic right now, because earlier we were getting information how a man has been suspended on that Black Hawk chopper. And it is now believed to be said that this is the Taliban's brutal and atrocities and its acts that are back to haunt the people of Afghanistan. It is being said that a man was hanged from this chopper and it took off in Kandahar. This is now the real picture that we are getting to know. So Taliban on one hand may seem to say that it has changed, but it is now being suggested, according to reports, Sinha sir, that this is a man who was said to be an American interpreter who's been hanged from a chopper in Kandahar, sir. How brutal is that?
It is absolutely brutal. And it is a You know, if this guy has, gets killed, then it's a cold-blooded murder. And that also, on the sky and in the public glare. Taliban do not know what they are trying to do it. The Taliban, by promising that they have become civilized, so what, they have got the new generation of leadership. So this is all going to in vain. And the matter of the fact is the civil war is on in Afghanistan. And it was supposed to be only with the coalition government, if they form it in a civilized way, there was some ray of hope. But the way the Taliban are going and the way Pakistan is also supporting them by, their NSA is saying the 9/11 is back, they are coercing, the whole world. But these are the things now will unfold. And more, if they stop the foreign media to report, that may be a blackout of these atrocities. Atrocities are not going only one. Atrocities are going all over Afghanistan. And mind you, Taliban do not have the whole of complete area. There are more than 12 to 13 districts which is not in the control of Taliban. There are factions like Khorasan has come. So in the area of Nangarhar, next area, next province, in the area of Panjshir, 7, 8 more districts are not in the control of Taliban. So Taliban will come back to its own origin thing, which I feel, and they will never be civilized.
Absolutely, sir, because these are disturbing images that are coming across from Kandahar. And what we are getting to know that a man has been executed. He was suspended from a chopper in Kandahar, and it is believed to be operated by the Taliban. And sir, when it comes to consolidation of the forces there, because how together do you seem that Taliban will be coming across at this point? Because we just want to replay that video, sir, for our viewers, and a quick update as to this video that has now emerged from Kandahar. It is being said that a man was executed. You can see a person who is hanging from the chopper. It is the brutal acts of Taliban which are now back to haunt the people of Afghanistan.